This is absolutely insane.
And it's still raining. I don't think it'll be long tomorrow.
Mama's poor house. Lots of good memories there.
Yeah.
And so, like this waterproof phone case. It's holding, oh, this is disorienting. So, oh, it's very disorienting to be walking in this. Look at the creek over there. It's not really a creek anymore.
If I was eating old whiz out here,
He'd want to be out in
he'd
it.
be right out in the middle of it.
That was deep over in Mom's backyard.
Well, look at the wave patterns it's
I know,
causing
that's what I
here.
said. Isn't that weird?
See, in '82 when it
sad.
flooded, the parking lot for the church was gravel. And every bit of that gravel went right down in the yard.
The church is going to be flooded. Does anybody know? I mean, not that there's anything they can do right this minute, but
There's water here. There's somebody coming down here. There's water probably up in under the church.
yeah, no doubt.
The church is,
There goes
Oh, no,
a stick into the church.
I bet it's going right straight in right
No,
there.
it's going right in. You can
Unless
tell
that
it is.
door is sealed up real good.
Is
it's
there
going-
any way? Do we have any?
Well, if you open that door now,
I know. I was supposed to say, do we have any bags we can put on it? I hate that. It makes me feel so terrible.
I think I'm gonna walk over and look in and see if I can see where the water.
Well, I don't think you can see in. They've got blinds. This is insane. Oh, Mama's house is flooded. It is flooded, y'all.